BTäT Cold Brew Coffee Maker. First, put half a cup to 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee in the filter. Place the filter inside the pitcher. Fill up the pitcher with filtered water and pour in a circular motion to wet all the coffee grinds. Brew for a minimum of 8 hours in the refrigerator. For best results, we recommend 48 hours. Remove the filter. Keep the lid on to keep the coffee fresh. This product features a stainless steel lid with an airtight silicone seal, an easy-to-remove stainless steel filter, temperable thick borosilicate glass, and a large top opening for easy cleaning.